Music in presents Michael, Angelo, Batio, live concert.
Thank you very much. I'm going to tell you now. I was going to wait until later, but I live in the Chicago area of the United States, right in the center of the US. If you look on a map, Los Angeles, New York City, Chicago, the three biggest cities in the United States. I had to fly Chicago to New York, New York to Delhi, Delhi to Calcutta, Calcutta to here. I made it. I did it! But my double guitar did not. And I'm very, very sorry. I always play my double guitar, always. I mean, my trademark is this, but my double guitar is on a flight now. We don't even know. But I'm so sorry that I can't play it. But what does this mean? It means I'm coming back next year with a double. So, but it is not that I do not, normally you would see it on the stage. I didn't even have clothes to wear. All I brought in my suitcase were stage clothes. I don't even have my cool shoes. These are my traveling shoes. I don't even have my cool boots. Like normally I'd be like, yeah. This is like, I told them to put more monitors on the stage to cover my shoes. But I have my clothes, no shirts. I have been wearing this shirt for 3 days. So, yeah. But all I can say is this, it doesn't matter, metal will live. And I have to play. No more talk. This is my tribute to Led Zeppelin. Here.
Mm-hmm.